Today we are in our Piano Adventures lesson book, level 1, and we are playing Flute of the Andes. And at the very top of the page, we have a new piece of music theory, and it's the octave sign. It's an 8 with a small VA and a line that shows you how many measures or how many notes that you need to play an octave higher. And we have that here at the bottom of our page. And we've got G, C, G, C, and then we're just going to move one octave higher and play G and C. And as we do that, we are also going to be working on our dynamics. We're medium loud here, medium soft, and then very soft because the sound is getting farther away. And we also have a repeat sign here. So you have to play the first line, go back, play it again, and play to the end. So let's see how this piece sounds. And our fourth finger is on G, and our thumb is on G here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you also have the fermata on the very last note of the song. So you hold it a longer time. And it also says at the very beginning of the piece to hold the damper pedal down throughout the piece. That's your first pedal on the right, and you put your heel on the floor, toe on the pedal, and hold it there until the end of the song.